Who's your best friend?
Jake Grant.
Riker.
Turn it up. Okay. Every time we have to turn it up. Okay.
My best friend is Riker.
Press it. Ow! That scared me. It just me out.
I pushed it and it won.
It just scared me.
Okay. I didn't buy it.
What's your favorite color? It's
Blue.
not.
I promise. I didn't get shot.
Is this fake or something?
Oh, it's fake for sure.
Push it.
Okay, we didn't even say anything and now it's saying that we didn't.
Wait. Hey, you try it.
Where does your want me to go?
Shocking both of me.
How do you do it? How do you do it? Hey, grab
Oh,
this.
just press it. Grab it. Just grab it.
If you lie, you get
Yeah.
shot. Who's your best
mom?
friend?
He's your mom.
Craig. Craig. My best friend is Craig.
Okay, it didn't
How do you
shock
do
you.
this?
Now you say, you push it and say, or what's your mom's name?
Craig.
Okay.
My name is
Okay, what's your mom's name? No, say it and then push it.
My name is Carrie. My mom's name is Carrie.
Oh, never mind, that one doesn't work. Here, I guess it does now. So, you can do it now.
Scary. Doesn't even hurt that bad. Scary. But my mom's name really is scary.
Okay, let's go.
And that's it for today's video. And this kid.